Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Doordash driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're now a dasher or you basically drive for Doordash. How do you actually go ahead and change your name? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Then click on Account. Then click on Profile. Then click on Edit Profile. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and change your preferred name. So enter your preferred name here, and this is the name that customers and merchants will see. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on the DoorDash driver app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.